Hello and welcome to the InverterCool channel. Today we'll explore the topic of wall furnaces and the process of upgrading to an air source heat pump. Let's dive into the details and understand the benefits and challenges involved. A wall furnace is a heating appliance that can be hung or recessed in the wall. Typically fueled by gas or oil, these units need to be installed on exterior walls for proper venting of flue gases. Wall furnaces are designed to operate without ducting, making them suitable for small homes. However, they may not provide even heating in larger homes, as they don't cover a wide enough area. Upgrading to a ducted heat pump system involves more than just equipment costs. Duct installation can exceed $700 per register, and additional electrical circuits and wiring are necessary for each unit. The overall cost of replacing a wall furnace with a ducted heat pump system can be more than double that of replacing an existing ducted system. Despite the expense, it adds value and ensures even comfort throughout the home. When considering the upgrade, it's important to factor in the space needed for the air handler, as well as the pipes and wiring between units. These elements contribute to the overall investment required. While the initial investment is significant, the long-term benefits of a ducted heat pump system include increased home value and improved comfort. It's a decision that requires careful consideration of both costs and benefits. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to us at InverterCool.com. We're here to help you make informed decisions about your home heating and air conditioning solutions.